This is a demonstration of the Toastmaster 1A1. This particular toaster is the first pop-up toaster in North America. This has been completely restored to its original condition. It's controlled by two levers. The first one is a timer, so you must set the time down. And then this actually starts the voltage. Now this particular toaster, serial number in the 190,000 range, was created between September of 1927 and August of 1930. These toasters are pretty much indestructible and are really fun to restore. They will probably last for 100 years. Notice that it's getting close to where it's going to trip the lever, and that will turn off the electricity and pop up the toast. This little knob here is the setting of how dark or light you want it. And our toast is done, and as you can see, it is lightly toasted. If you wanted it darker toasted, then you would move this down one and then restart the timer. Thank you.